Sharp, sharp. If something is sharp, it has a point or edge that can easily cut things. A rose branch has sharp thorns. Now you say sharp. Sharp. Bold, bold. When a person is bold, that person is not afraid. A bold acrobat walked high above the crowd. Now you say bold. Bold. Stare, stare. When people stare, they look at something for a long time. I can stare at my fish for hours. Now you say stare. Stare. Coward, coward. Sometimes a person who is too afraid of something is called a coward. My dog is a coward during a storm. Now you say coward. Coward. Flee, flee. Flee means to run away, usually from danger. The bears flee from the buzzing bees. Now you say flee. Flee. Grin, grin. When you grin, you smile with pleasure. The swimmers grin after winning the race. Now you say grin. Grin. Fortune, fortune. A fortune can be a large amount of money or lots of jewels. The chest holds a fortune of gold. Now you say fortune. Fortune. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky means doing something without anyone knowing about it. The sneaky boy took a cookie from the plate. Now you say sneaky. Sneaky. Empty, empty. Empty means holding nothing. The cereal box is empty. Now you say empty. Empty. Gasp, gasp. When you gasp, you take a quick and sudden breath. The loud pop of the balloon made me gasp. Now you say gasp. Gasp.